There's absolutely no question that the Kawasaki Brute Force is a complete utility workhorse. Even as a bone-stock machine, these brutes can produce an enormous amount of horsepower and torque. When we developed our HMF exhausts, we not only increased the power and durability of these machines, but the exhaust tone was transformed into a deep, aggressive sound that completely changes your riding experience. With most models picking up nearly 3 more ponies and 3 pounds of torque, these HMF systems with a proper fuel tune will completely unleash the brute from within.